Train Watching by Grayson and Marcus.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are at
probably hear
Edmonds.
the ding, 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 right, guys? Did it come?
Yeah,
The railroad crossing.
Yeah.
we've heard it.
So yeah, guys.
The bells are
So
lining
today we're at Edmonds.
Those types of
But
train
we're
bells
here for
on the
trains.
crossings are called e-bells.
We're here for trains. Alright, guys. So I'll see you guys in a couple more seconds because I can just cut the video and put it back together. Bye, guys.
Look back and forth.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to
Look
another
back
video.
and forth.
No, we don't. We can just look out the window. Okay, guys.
We hear a train.
We're here.
Oh, I hear the other crossings.
I bet you they always have to hump way
Oh.
down there.
There it is.
No, those are the e-bells. There it goes, guys.
Yeah, but because there's population there.
Yeah.
I wonder if
Is it a BNSF? Is it an Amtrak?
Oh, it sounds like an Amtrak.
Picture of the ferry leaving.
That sounds like a BNSF.
Maybe.
There it is.
Yeah, the conductor waved to me. Yeah. Chris and he was
Nice.
Chris, don't hold your phone like that. I never feel safe.
5, the pop socket. So, wasn't that a BNSF DS44?
No, it
C4?
was a Dash 9.
Yeah, Dash 9. We haven't been train watching in a while.
This is cool. Or trouble. See, oh, that's
Yeah.
2, 4, 3.
Wow, guys, this BNSF is holding a long freight.
Actually, they're always this way. Wow, those mountains actually have snow on them.
Oh my God! Oh! Holy crap! Holy crap! Well, guys, bye. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Another train! What the heck is going on?
From this way.
That is not a normal one. Oh. Oh my God! Holy crap! Holy crap! CN!
Did you get a picture?
Yes, I got a picture. A CN from Canada. Yes.
Oh, that's because it's coming this way from Canada.
Oh my God, guys. Guys.
Yep.
This is crazy. see, guys. That was short.
Yep. Yeah, that wasn't too. That was.
Oh my gosh, guys. Well, bye, guys. See you in another YouTube video. What's up, guys? Back to another video. Today, the light is green. Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at that, guys. Perfect shot.
Don't go too close.
Maybe. Yeah, guys. So we're just waiting for the train. I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys. Bye bye. There it is, guys.
Grayson, do we have to throw
Right there. There it is, guys. There it is. Right there. There the train is.
Crossing should go down any minute. Think we'll be able
Right
to see
there,
us?
guys. Maybe.
Never know. That could be such a good picture for a home screen or something. See, guys, you could pause this video and take the screenshot.
Oh, I'm gonna stand away from the tracks. Bro, we're actually very close. I can still hear it rumbling, so I'm gonna stay away. There it is, guys. I can still see it. There it is, guys. It's going so fast. There it is. Thank you! It honked its horn. We did this and he honked his horn. He saw us. Bro, that was amazing.
I can see the end is right there.
Yeah. I see the end.
Oh, there's another on the end. Ancient dash line. I noticed. Huh?
Bye, guys.